Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. On today's video I'm going to show you how to create this gorgeous fall centerpiece. I wanted to make a centerpiece for my table, so I went to Dollar Tree. I picked up some supplies and this is what I came up with. So all of the items I use for the centerpiece are from Dollar Tree. If you want to see how I put all of this together, then stay tuned. For this centerpiece, I use a plastic oval tray, 2 of these vases, a bag of moss, 2 candles, potpourri, this is vanilla scented, 2 square foams, and I also got a bunch of flowers and leaves. I love the fall colors in orange and the yellows, so I chose these colors for my centerpiece. So the next step, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna glue my foams on the tray. For this I'm gonna use my hot glue gun, and then I'm going to glue the glass vases on top of the foam. Before I glue the vases to the foam, I'm gonna use this moss to cover some of the foam, and I'm just gonna spread it around on the tray, covering the foam and also right in between the foams. So next, I'm gonna glue my 2 vases on top of the foam, and for this, I'm gonna use my hot glue gun. Now I'm gonna take some of my vanilla potpourri and I'm gonna add some to the vases, and then I will add my candles right inside, and then I will add a little more potpourri just to cover some of the areas around the candles so that the candles stay right in the center. So now I'm going to start by adding my beautiful flowers. I use my snips to separate each of the flowers because they come in bunches, so that makes it easier to make the arrangements the way that I want. So let me show you how I'm arranging my flowers. Whatever I do on the left, I'm gonna do on the right. That way it looks more symmetrical. So first, I'm going to be adding all of my flowers, and I'm gonna add them very closely to the vases, and then underneath the flowers, I'm gonna be adding the leaves and other things. Alright, so let me show you what it's looking so far. It's taking shape. I love how the flower is looking so far. So let's continue. So now I'm going to continue adding the leaves underneath the flowers, and I chose to add the leaves at the bottom because they cover the tray much better. Okay, so look how gorgeous this looks. I'm so excited. My table is gonna look amazing. And to make my centerpiece more beautiful, I'm gonna add 2 branches of this. I forgot where they call, but you'll see them in Dollar Tree. I'm also gonna add some bittersweet branches and some pine cones, and you're gonna see how beautiful it's gonna turn out. But not least, I'm going to add some of these pine cones. They have gold glitter on them. It makes it look really pretty. I'm going to add about 6 of them, 3 in the front and 3 in the back. And then I'll show you the final product. And voila, doesn't this look amazing? I love how beautiful it turned out. This lovely arrangement is stunning as a centerpiece for your seasonal table or anywhere in your home. Alright my friends, this is all for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope I inspire you to create something like this. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you in the next one.